Hey guys, today let's learn how to remove multiple contacts on your iPhone device. So if you guys are wondering how to remove, let's say, not just one, but multiple contacts all at once in just one simple click over on your iPhone device, this is going to be pretty easy because what we need to go ahead and do is to firstly launch our contacts or phone application. Now let's go ahead and on our contacts tab. And once you're here, what I want you guys to do is to go ahead and long press on the specific contact that you'd like to go ahead and delete. Now take note, guys, that when you go ahead and long press on those contacts, I want you to use two fingers. So I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate that right now by using two fingers on this first contact right here. I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. And as you would see, it's going to go ahead and be highlighted. Now what I want you guys to do is basically using those two fingers that you have chosen to long press on this contact, go ahead and scroll down. Now as you see, I'm going to go ahead and scroll down as I am talking, and it is basically selecting multiple contacts all at once. Now once that is done, I could go ahead and release my two fingers and just use one finger to long press on any part of this highlighted contact list, and as you would see, it's going to be all selected, and I could go ahead and tap on delete 6 contacts to go ahead and delete them multiple altogether with just one click. And that is all for this video. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.